Hello, it's Fiona. I'm out at the Permaculture Educational Centre again, and what I'm doing today, well, Terry's actually doing some more building on the fence up the top, which I told you about the other day, and I showed you some pictures on that one. And then today I am going to finish off the signage for the property so that when people come they can find where we are. I just thought I'd show you, oh, there's a yucca tree there. Some of the scenery behind me. So this is my office. This is where I'm working today. I'm just going to show you this little bit here. It looks a little bit messy at the moment, but let's walk this way. I've planted in this area here. It's shady and it's a little bit protected. So what I've started doing here is putting in some, oh, I've forgotten their names, some like fern type trees, fern type plants, because I want to turn this into like a tropical area. Yep, there's two big gum trees there. There's some more water catchment up the back there off another area that we've put up, but this area here lends itself to being a really nice community space where people can sit and share space and enjoy stories together. And then if you have a look down here, maybe I need to go more that way. There we are. So if it was spring now, all the way down there to the road, and you can see that dam that's down the bottom there. If you went all the way down there, there's actually it's another food forest that I've planted, or we've planted. I don't do all this on my own. So there's a more food forest planted down here, and then along the bottom part there is where there's some nut trees that have gone into, so a good mix of food. So this is one of the food forests. This, oh, I hope I didn't go too fast and give you the spins then. Up behind here, up there, up that direction is another food forest. And then if this awning wasn't in the way, directly up there is another food forest, and then over where the train is, which is over in that direction, there's another food forest. So loads of fruit growing. The market gardens have got some vegetables in them. I'm going to start propagating soon. I'll probably do that in orange, or maybe this Friday, because there's believed to be some rain coming. 3 to 4 days of rain, yay! Good news. Anyway, this is getting me away from my job, painting those signs up. So this is, we've just found some wood, got some old paint, picked up at garage sales and the like, and that's what I'm going to use to make the signs. Anyway, let's see how good I am with it. I'll show you next time I come out for a visit. All right, bye for now and take care. Bye.